ko. Nice mo? Magot sa kumati?
Mississippi.
Ningaw. Tapos yung kumati. Start na. Ito daw. Oy, where are you going? Shh! Koron, sige na yung sakyanan ron.
Turtle. Nice, Nico. Oh, dinosaur.
Our school worker resident to decide to make him Kakadua galing Airplane kami calling ni Kini and Australia. Now folks, school workers and workers in general leave their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Those who leave their crest and spread their wings as part of their courtship ritual or panliligaw sa mga babaeng kakatuwid. This is also an act of discouraging other males to court female. Soon worker rested kakatu. Now this morning folks, Beauty will show us the courtship ritual by spreading her wings. Alright now Beauty girl, show us what you got. Spread your wings. And there you go. One more time, isa pa, spread your wings. And there you go. And as part of Beauty's enrichment, kakatus loop around in branches as a form of exercise or playing around to ease their boredom. Now Beauty, anong gagawin natin pag tayo ay naboboard? Board na board! And there you go. So you can actually see kakatus do that in the wild fauna as part of their natural behavior. And lastly, just like Barak kanina folks, Beauty here also has prehensile beak and zygodaxal feet. And ipapakita niya ni Beauty by grabbing her treats. Alright, now Beauty, grab and there you go. As you can see folks, two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab on items. At syempre, may pa-sunflower seeds yan. Alright, and thank you so much, Beauty Girl, for showing us your natural talents. Palakpakan po natin sila po. At ang kanyang personal trainer na si Kuya Boy. And by the way, folks, here in the Rock Park in Zoo, President Kakatu, third is the Block Top Kakatu, and fourth is the Mulukan Cactus po. Okay, moving on to our next animal ambassador. 3-in-1 po ito, but before that, I have a question. Okay? First question. What animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cats. Pusa. Sabay saya pa? Ere. Okay, second question. Ito, listen carefully ha. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is dog, what kind of animal is Winnie? Teka lang, anong nasa hayop si Winnie? Bear! Sino nagsabi ng dapo? Ala, may puba na hayop po. Bear, ha? Bear po si Winnie, okay? O, sige, last question na lang tayo. Ano namang klaseng hayop ang kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon? Hala, umibot na ako, hindi ako nagsabi mo ha? Ito pa mo. But you are correct po to our next animal ambassador. That's okay, so a cat, a body like a bear, and a very impressive tail, like a monkey. Now my direct your attention to your left side, and that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat. And by the way, folks, my direct your attention to your right side po, and that is Uno, our Palawan bear cat. reason that there is bear in their names, it's because they are capable of standing up using their two hind legs like a bear po. Ipapakita yan ni Uno this morning. Alright, the Uno. Up, the best. Stand up. And there you go. That is their two hind legs in action like a bear. Thank you so much, Uno. Now, may direct your attention to your left side na naman. And again, folks, that is Teddy, our other Palawan Bearcat. Alright, good boy. Once again, folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat with the scientific name of Arctictis binturong, or locally known as binturong po. Now, did you know that their tail can act as a limbs, or it is prehensile in nature? Again, the definition of prehensile is being able to grab, so they can grab sa mga objects na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan ang kanilang mga tail. Same sa mga monkeys, at ipapakita yan ni Teddy this morning po. Now, Teddy, go to your spot na, boy, and show us your prehensile tail. Ready ka na? Down, down, down. Alright. Down, Teddy boy. Ready ka na? Ayan na nga. Down. And there you go. That is their prehensile tail in action po. And they're doing that in the wild to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan naman po natin si Teddy and Bruno. And folks, by the way, Palawan Bearcats are endemic here in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin, dito lang po namin sila makikita sa Pilipinas, specifically sa Palawan. Hence their name, the Palawan Bearcats. And they are omnivores. So kumakain sila ng prutas, gulay, at karne. Again, omnivores po sila ha. No, may tanong ulit ako sa inyo, folks. Anong tawag sa grupo ng mga hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivores. Correct. How about meat o karne? Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses, at karne? Omnivores. Perfect. Ito last question, folks. Anong tawag sa grupo ng mga hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Fruit salad? Kuya Dex, ito talaga ha? O sino nakakalang, folks? Ano yun? May narinig ako. Anybody? Wala? Assignment na lang? Herbivore. Actually, there's a correct term po. Oh, ate. Biologos. Once again, Piolo. Oh, Piolo. Daniel. John Lloyd.
Ano pang babae na?
Familiar. That is Piolo. Our gentle dog. O sa mga bisita po natin na hindi pa nakapag-experience maghawak ng snake, folks, enjoy si Kuya Richie ha. Hintayin lang natin makalapit si Kuya Richie sa inyo, folks. Okay? Alright, sa mga kiddos natin dyan, sa mga parents natin.
Austin, kaya! Yeah. Ah, yung palahan nila. Sige lang. Ayun na siya ngunit eh. Ayun lang ko na. Ka-cute nila. Come on. Touch the fish. Okay, go. Give the fish. Give. Oh. Ay!
Kadaghan po sila.
Touch the fish. Touch the fish. Touch the fish.
Masig mama.
Touch the fish. Touch the fish. Oh, you touch fish. Fish. Oh, oh, wait. Wala na. Wala na.
Bye-bye na fish, bye-bye.
Bye-bye na fish. Bye-bye fish. Wash ng hands.
Bye-bye fish.
Natagasan na kayo ka. Tara na. Yun na. Bye-bye fish. Oh, bye-bye fish na. Bye-bye fish.
Naigaw.
Siguro siya mo ano.
Lolo.
Wado mo dyan kung hop, hop. Hop, sak, sak.
Running, running.
Wag, Lucy.
Now,
Wait,
May tulog. Oh, may tulog na. 1 min down. Ay, dili na tabira man eh. Balik na tabira ma. Dili na naman. Dagan. Asus na kuyag-kuyag. Hala. Hoy, hala, hala. Ang lingkod na. Nakita kita, nadagma ikaw. Gusto siya mag-gustin. Ah, gustin.
Pangalot sa ulo.
si Biluya naman.
Luya naman na siya. Muna-muna na niya. Nadagma.
Nagam dyan.
Austin.